so our course is the name of our course is that the JavaEE JavaEE. The whole name of our course is that well, I'll show you. The whole course of our course name is that here. So the architecture and program design of JavaEE. So that's the JavaEE and architecture. Architecture and program design. So that is our course. That is our course name. So JavaEE architecture and program design. And each course, I will try my best to write some note for you, and then if some of you are too busy to come on my class on time, you can see the notes as a review. Well, let's go to our course. So first, we need to prepare some of RDEs. So RDEs prepared. So first thing, I think you need to prepare the JDK. Well, I'll show you the JDK. The JDK things is that the JDK. Let me try. So that is the JDK. JDK is the Java development kit. So we need when we use Java, we need to prepare the JDK first, and we need to install them. So maybe you will encounter some problem to when you install it. So that's the JDK. JDK is something like this. So that is the JDK name. You can download from the on the internet. So that is the JDK things. That's the JDK things. So you need to download that software. So this is one thing. Although maybe some of you have basic of the Java things, and others may not. So you need to do some pre-work to install them first. So that is the JDK things you can download. You can download. So that's the one thing. The JDK. Well, since we are international course, and so our habits to study or to organize some material maybe are different. Some of you may be familiar with your software, your environment. For me, I in China, and I familiar with the companies of Chinese. So like the QQ or the Baidu. So I will try. Some of you advised me that use the GitHub, but GitHub need to install the Git client, so it need time to prepare. And so first I preview another software we call is the Baidu disk, network disk. Where I'll show you. So that is a Baidu disk, and here I will upload some things. So first I create this is my network disk. This is Baidu net disk. So first I create a new folder. New folder is here. New folder. So something like this. So this is one thing is a new folder, and I will upload some things. So first, this software. I mean, if you do not want to surf on the internet again and again, so you can use my share links of Baidu net disk, where I show you. I'll show you. So first I upload this thing here. Here is I upload this. This is the software. This is the software. So you can try. Then I will share this disk to all of you. So that is permanent available, and then I create a link. So this is a link. So here is our Baidu here Baidu disk. So you can like this. This is means link. This is means link. So although maybe you are not so clear on my just listen to what I have said, but you have lots of free time, so you can review my course in your spare time. So I try to write something clear, so then you can one step by step and review this thing. For example, here today, well, today is this you know this date 9/11. Okay, 9/11 American things. Okay, so so each course or each course on each day, I will write a notebook for you, and I will share this notebook, and then you can have a review. Well, so that is the link, and this is we call the provider code. Provided code maybe. So you can just well, for example, first thing you need to well, I share you here. This is a link. This is link. This is our code and the code. And sometimes you know this is a different language. Different language. I will. Here is something extraction code. So this is extraction code, and this is our course. This is and our courseware and software are in Baidu network disk. Baidu network disk. So courseware and are in Baidu network disk. Okay. So you can try this link. Since this is the first class, so I will show my style. So this is what when I teach something, this is my style. So I'll give you lots of materials and tell you where it is. So this is one thing, JDK things, and also I told you the Baidu things. Well, sometimes maybe when I have told you this, I make a mark. Well, I make a mark. Yeah, thing maybe. Okay, so that's I have make a mark, and also I have told the Baidu nick, Baidu disk. Okay, this is make a mark. Well, and then let's begin. So you need to install the JDK. So it's maybe a little difficult for some of you. So you need to try to how to install the JDK things. So the JDK things is that something first you say you just double click it, and then you can you install since I have installed it already. So you can find the Java Java program file things. So let me find program things Java. Well, I'll show you. So when you install as the default things, you will find the program file, and this here is the Java things. And so you maybe pay attention that when you finish installation, you need to see the folders on your hard disk. There should be two. One is JDK, another is JRE. So that's you need to pay a little attention for this. So that's when you finish install it. It's something like this. So that is we called after you have finished it installation. Well, so you say after installation, the system will have folders. Will have two folders, I think. Two folders. So like this. Like this way. Well, so that's the JDK, and also you need to set up JDKs. So you need to you need to query something to understand how to make the JDKs take effect. So you need to surf on the internet. So querying some things, querying install and configure JDK on the internet. So you need to I think you need to set up some we call the environment variables. Well, I'll show you. So you just right click your computer icon and attributes, and then you find the advanced system setup, and this has environment variable, and then here is you need to add something. I think you need to add well, so it's a little complicated. So class path, and also the Java home, and another is a path. So you need to add three things, and the detail you can surf on the internet internet. So I think you need to find this variable things, the system variable things, and then you need to here is a class path. Here is a class path. This is class path, and this is the Java home, and also you should add a path, and this way. So you need to set up things. You need to set up things something like this way, and also well, so and also okay, some of you well, so this is your name or something. So okay, well, now I'll let you speak. So how I let you speak? So if some of you have any questions, you just tell me. So it's easy course, not so strict. So if you have anything, you can tell me. And so some of you can give me a response. Could you hear me? Some of you, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so oh yeah, okay, so let's go on. Okay, thank you. So you need to install the JDK things. So the JDK things, you need to add three things. So the three things is here, the path, and let's see. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. So the three things. So this is three things, and also maybe you need some basic idea to use the command things. So here is a command, and when you can say echo commands. Echo first is the class path. We add the I don't know class path. Let me try class path. Try. Or not this way. So class echo should this is variable. This is variable things. Here. So you need to use your echo things to see if it works or not. So here is a class path, and also is the echo the Java home. So although it seems not so complicated, but you know, sometimes the system maybe have some little problem. So that's you need to verify it, to check it. And also here is a path. Here is a path. Okay. Here is a path. So you should make sure that for example, let me try again. So one thing is the Java home. Okay, here is the Java home. Another thing is the class path, and then is the path. Well, no matter the uppercase or the little case. So the same thing. Same thing. You should make sure that you have already set the correct parameters. So here you see this is a Java home things. This is Java home things, and another this is a class path things, and then the path we should got the binary of the Java installation for those. So well, let me show you. Find the Java well, say program here. You see this way. Java bin. Here is a Java bin. This is one. So you need to add. I think maybe add the two things. So this is one bin, one binary, and another binary. So this is the Windows things. And if you use the other operating system, you use Linux, the Macintosh or others. Well, you need to try by yourself. So my system is Windows system. So you need to here to check this way. So this is one bin. This is one bin. Another is that way here. Okay. So that's the environment. That's the environment things. And so it's so maybe a little boring, but the Java things almost like this. So Java, you need to prepare a lot of steps to build the environment. So then you can use the command things. So command Windows. So command Windows. And so command window. So command Windows, you always like this. You type the CMD here. One thing, you just type this command. You type the command, and here is the command things. So this is the command. Okay. So that's the JDK things prepare, and you need to test the environment works or not. So test is thing here. We need two commands: the Java, and JavaC. So the Java and the JavaC is things like this. First, you need to command. You can choose a run. Windows and I shortcuts. And then first is the Java, and also you can Java version. So this is one thing, Java version, and another is that we call the JavaC. So this is a shared environment, and it should be output something. So that's, if you got this, that means you have successfully installed the JDK things. So install the JDK. So it's a little complicated. So be patient. So this is one thing. This is one thing. Okay. So that is the JDK things. That's the JDK things. Well, another is other things. We will continue. So another, well, so this is JDK. JDK we prepared, and others is the others is that the Tomcat. Tomcat is some. What's the Tomcat? Well, Tomcat, well, I'll show you the Tomcat. Here is a Tomcat. But this course, today's course, we will not will not use the Tomcat. I just tell you what the Tomcat means. So this is a Tomcat. This is a Tomcat. So Tomcat is something like you can use the Apache. Apache here is Tomcat. Well, I'll show the maybe zip or something. Here, you need to download. You need to download and unzip this software. It's a green software. It's a green software. So you just try this. Here. Here, this is Tomcat. You know, sometimes our time are not so much, so I cannot give you too much details. If you have any question, you can tell me. Then we will discuss it. Or you can ask your classmates, or mostly we surf on the internet. You know, nowadays so many videos, so many web pages on the internet, and you just know the directions, and then you should surf lots of material. So this is Apache. This is Apache Tomcat, and you need to install it. But this install just unzip this file. That's will be okay. So you need to unzip. We call the this way decompression. Decompression this this zip file. Zip files. So you will get the photos, the same photos. Here is a Tomcat. Is the Tomcat things. So maybe you can put the unzip photos anywhere. So it's up to you. It's up to you. So this is what I have put. What I have put. Here, just like this way. Like this way. So for example, decompressed zip files, decompressed files, and then you can check. So how to check this? Check is that's when you just open the binary photos, and there have a start up, maybe battle files, BAT. So I'll show you. So this is binary things, and then you try to the startup here. This is the startup. So that's the startup things. This way. So startup, and then you start up. Double click it. So that's the Tomcat things. That's the Tomcat things. And so at the end, if it works successfully, there will be show you the Catalina start. You know, Catalina is another name of Tomcat. So Catalina start server start up in time. So that's then you just remain this window, and you can check. So you can check. Well, so that's first. Here is the Tomcat things. You remain this window. Remain this window. So start up. Then you use your browser. And you type the localhost. So localhost means your own IP address. It's just like I or just like me for everybody. So localhost is for the machine. Just my port. So just enter this. So if everything goes well, you can see this logos of Tomcat. So Apache Tomcat. So that is the Tomcat things. That's a Tomcat things. Since I have already set up all parameters. So maybe some of you maybe the first time to use this software, so you need to spend some time. So here you start up, and then you can see it, and then you can close it. So if you close it, the server is down, is closed. Then you try again, it will not show it again because the server is down, server is closed. So that's nothing. So this is Tomcat things. This is Tomcat things. Well, so you can try in your free time. You can try in your free time. Here. So what I have said this, and then we continue. So another thing. Well, I uploaded the Tomcat to the Baidu network. So the here, well, I close something, and go to the network. Here is the network, and then double click it, and then I upload the Tomcat things, Tomcat zip, Tomcat zip, and okay, open the photos, and then I upload it. Well, so you can try to visit my network of Baidu, and maybe next week or the days later, I will try to use the GitHub, but GitHub sometimes, well, I'm not so familiar compared with the Baidu disk. So this is me. This is me. So I signed, and I already this is my repositories. I already created a JavaEE, but I haven't put something on it. Well, I will try to have a try to put something on this GitHub. Well, so this is a later plan. This is a later plan. So now if I prepared it, I will tell you. Or some of you can first you can register an account and sign in. Also, you can put your codes on this GitHub. It's very popular now. And okay, then let's go on. So decompose this zip files, and this is the Tomcat things. And okay, go on. So this is idea things. And also another is the intelligent, because nowadays I suggest you use intelligent, or if you use Eclipse, that's also you be okay. Well, I'll show you. So first I show you that here is the intelligent. So intelligent is already installed it. Not this way, intelligent here. So that's the intelligent, but intelligent is software need you maybe pay a little money. So you need to try something to use it permanently, or you can use it for at least 1 month. I think it's okay. So at least you can use it a month, and when you cannot use it, you can tell me, and I'll give you some broken files. But I'm afraid I cannot upload the broken files on the Baidu network disk, because it's not so it's not so right. Do the right things. Well, so here is the idea things. Here is the idea things. So you need to install the idea. Well, the idea you can download. Well, I'll show you the idea things. Maybe the idea, the 2020. Well, let me find. Haven't. So here is the idea things. Idea things this way. Idea intelligent. So so our course is focused on the Java. So if some of you are interested in other languages, and you can tell me, or we can discuss it. You know, the problem things mostly they are the same thing. They're the same thing. So here is the idea. Here is the idea. Well, I upload to our Baidu group, Baidu network. So here is idea things. Idea. Well, it's a little bigger than others. So here is the upload things. Upload. Here, well, it's maybe need time. So it's almost about, well, okay. So here is idea. Here is idea things. So you know, our course is whole afternoon, but I do not want to speak all the time. So maybe I only speak at the 5 and 6 class. So it's ending at the 3 o'clock, and then from at the 4 o'clock to the 5 p.m. you need to do some practice yourself, and then if you have any question, you can type the text on the WeChat group, and I will answer you. So you need to, it's just like the experiment the course. So well, I show you. That's the time arranging. So it's maybe the here well, we call the experimental task. So the time is from 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. So that is the experiment task, and I will give you the experiment task and I will ask some of you the next class. So our task is that the task 1 maybe. So the tasks. One thing is that you need to install so this is one thing. This is one thing. Tasks. This is one thing, and another, you need to write some little program. Well, I will show you. So maybe write. So programming things. You know, our course is a language course, so you need to practice by yourself. You should make it very familiar, very familiar for the program things. Okay, so that is the experiment task. So this is do it by yourself, and well, so that means. So that is so if there's any problem, send a text discussing in our WeChat group. Okay, so I think the important the issue thing is that your attitude is your interesting. If you really like computer subjects, so that is that is things. Okay. Community version is free. Yes. Okay, you just try. There's an open source version. Oh, I'm sorry to hear this. Well, I hope everything is okay. So if you have anything anything busy, you know, I will clip all of these things as your attendances. So for example, here all of you, and I will just like this. I will clip snapshots, and so you just let me show you. Let me see your information on our meetings. Then I think you have class. Okay, so it's doesn't matter. I hope everything will be okay. So I think the important thing is not you come or not. The important thing is that is what you have learned from my course, or what you have learned by yourself when you learn when you hear my class. Okay, so our course will last maybe 2 months. So you see here is our course. Our course is this week. This not this one. So our course will last from this week to the 10th week, so almost the 70 days, 2 months also. And also here others also has from 11 to 12. So that's a long time. So we will familiar each other or know each other as the time goes. Okay, so if you have anything, you just tell me. The attendance is important, but what you have learned is more important, I think. Okay, and then let's go on things. Okay, so that's the experimental task. Well, how to use this intelligence? How to use this? Well, I'll show you things. So we have already. Well, here is intelligent. We'll close it. So first thing you need to new Java program, Java project. So we new a Java project. Here. Well, this today we just for me to build the Java programs, and so I hope this week all of you should create the environment. So here is we try to use the Java. You choose the Java things. And this is a Java project. When you set up things, this is here Java project. and then you next. So this is what we need to create a file new Java project here. So try to use the Java project this way. So this is Java new project. You choose the file system, file menu. So this is idea things. So intelligent idea. So first create a Java. Create a Java project. Create a Java project here. Create a new Java project, and then we go on. Go on to, well, Java project. Then we next. So I suggest well. So what's this command? I suggest you choose this because this will give our basic structure of program like the system out of print line. So you try. The next way is this here command. So another thing is here. Okay, now go on. So and then next things. So this is a project name. This is a project name. This is the package. Well, maybe some of you are not familiar with these things. So project name you should this is as a default is untitled. That is no name, untitled. So we can. So it's up to you. It's up to you. Maybe we give a Java demo or Java 01 or so there's anything. And here is your package. Here is a package. So that's we just rename it, and then finish. So this is new project things. And okay, so Java and company, and then next that finish it, and it will give you a window. So I type this window. So here is the project. So you'll say this is the main something, and you can type the system. Okay, system sys system out line. Well, so you can use the shortcuts. So system outline print line, something like this way. So you can see always we use a hello world. So always hello world here and hello world also hello world, and then you run it. So you do not need to save it because the Eclipse the idea will save it automatically, and then you run it. Then you run your program. So that's this way. This is your program. As your program, you just right click something here. Shortcuts is something like you type the SRWord, something like this, and also you can mouse right click or pop menu. So when you use this, and then you choose the main, run main. So if everything goes well, and then we try. So right click here, and then we will see the results. So run main, if everything well, okay. Well, so it's maybe a little you should wait for a while, because this program are not so much. So here is a hello world. This way. So you can find it. So that's the very basic things. But it's maybe will take you a whole day, or not more than the whole day, because the environment, especially for the Java, are really messed. So you need to pay a little attention or be a little patient. So this is a result. And so if everything goes well, then you congratulations, you have opened the door of the Java program. Java programming. So here is hello world. Well, so this is idea things. Idea you just install it, next something. Okay, then let's go on. So that is the idea reference websites. Okay, well, so we have discussed the IntelliJ, and the MySQL and the Navigator we will discuss later. So that's the database things. We will discuss later, and you can prepare it in later days. And also, I show you some we call the reference websites, and also you can learn. You can serve by yourself. Well, let me see something. Okay. Well, so one thing, one website is a P tutorial. So this is a website. I'll show you. So you open it. This is a P tutorial. So there's something. The Java tutorial. Well, let me choose. Something. You can practice. So first thing is that system out.py9. I think you already know how to use it. And then we go to find some program. Here. What's Java program example? Okay, see this way. Java program example. So this is we call it the primal number. So it's a mathematical things. That means you know something like maybe this way. Well, let me show you. Okay. Oh, well, so I'll show you that's the prime number. Prime number is something like here, the primary number. So that's first thing, the practice software. So programming one thing is that prime number. You can write a program. So that is input things. Maybe input. So if you input, I think two numbers, input two numbers, input two numbers. So something like the first number is maybe the 120, and another number is something, well, we will change. So first number maybe 120, and second number maybe 180. So output is that output should be the max the we call it what, because this is mathematical things. Mathematical thing is this way. So greatest common divisor number, greatest common divisor number. Maybe like this. So programming. Prime number. Okay, another thing. So output maybe 60. Well, let us see this. So this program. Let's see this program here. Not this way. Here you see prime number 1 times. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is just to test it's a prime number or not. Okay, so this is another thing. That's a prime number. Prime number is that something like this. So we need to change. So one thing is this way. So greatest. So one thing is find greatest, and another. This is one program. Another is to. So this is program 1. This is program 1, and in the so when I finished my speaking, and each time you guys need to test to write some program to fulfill the problem. So this is one thing. Another thing is to test a number. I'll show you. So test a number is prime number or not. So test prime number. So that should input things that maybe input one number. So input one number. So input one number. So input one number. Here is a number like this way. Well, it's obviously not a prime, because it's an even number. The even number, the even number. Even numbers. So we give others 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this way. So this is simple things, and it should be output. So input number, and this is input one number. It should output So output maybe is not a prime number. So things like this way, so things like this way. So that is the basic things. That's the basic things. Well, now I'll show you how to write this to program, and then you write it by yourself. So first thing, let's see, maybe this is simple. So test primary number. It's very easier. Here, this is class. The class name you should not change it. So this is public static void main, and it give a string. What's give a string? Give a string. Well, we need to write well here this way, and so we try. So that is into a number, temp, and m, and 4 others, and implement system out print line. Okay, so it's almost this way, I think. So we copy this, and try here, paste it. So number, and I change it. So that is the 79, and temp and m, and then it will not a primer, and we will print that the n and plus not a number, or n not primary. No, what's this mean? Primary number, or it's a primary number. Okay, n is a primary number. Is a primary number. Well, not n maybe is not a primary number. So our courses are not focused on the logical of how the principles of the program. Our course is focused the technique. So how to run it. So you can surf on the internet. There's lots of examples of Java files. Well, let's try. Let's try to run it. Run main. Run main. So it will build, and here build. You see here is a primary number. Okay. If we change it, so change it this way and this way, 80. You know, obviously 80 are not a primary number. So then we run it again. Run main. Well, first I click this way. So this is not a primary number. Try again. Run main. Okay. It will build. So here 80 is not a prime number, so that's a difference. So that's a different. See here. So that's the program, but this program are not so convenient. So we can input something. So input something. How to input something? We use a scanner maybe. So let me try. First, sometimes I do not remember so much, so I Google. I Bing that way. Well, so here. So there's some. This is one thing you can try. Here is the pew, and this way is a bin. This is a bin. So we try. We open it. this way being things, and then I try Java scanner. That's the input things. Scanner maybe a int something. So scanner, how to input Java scanner? How well, Java scanner next line maybe. Okay. So like how to say next line. Okay, it's Java scanner next line. Okay, so we rewrite our class. So that's we should give first maybe we enter a number and then here we system out print line. So please input a number. Input a number. Please input a number. So this is one thing, and then we use here the Java scanner select scanner Java scanner. We try to try to next. Well, it should we should find some example here. You see, okay, that's what I want. So when you know something, the programming always copy and paste, always copy and paste if you know it. So you can type the alt enter, or not alt enter, so or alt enter. So here and import class, so scanner. Yes, scanner. Okay, so you should know this way. Should import scanner, and then we put input numbers. Input numbers is also as say. So input we already input all this, so do not need to wait. So int e maybe n equals this way, and so this is int, and then we do not need this way. So temp. And system out and your name, so we do not need our name. So we try use this way. Try use this program. So this is the interthings. So interthings. Then well, maybe we try again. So this is a whole program. So that's the scanner things, and we try again. We run main. Run main is that here. So please input a number. So we input the 188. So it's not a primary number. So this have already. If we want to give you 3 times to use this, so we can add a while, add a loop things. Add a loop things is so this is scanner one thing system hello world. Well, so we can use welcome to primary number test. Primary number test. Number test the game, maybe test game. Okay, so then we provide the users 3 times to use this program. So we can use well, there's lots of things, lots of we can use a while maybe thing. So while if I you can see so here a enter account and equals 0 and while count maybe less equal 3, and then we give a call we give this way. Give a brace, bigger braces, and we copy all of this way, all of this come, and we paste to the area of braces. So with 3 times, and also at the end we need to the count increase it by itself. Okay, then we try again. So run it again. Run main. Okay, so we hope everything goes well. So please input a number. So first time 120. Oh, is not well. Okay, so you see here. Please input a number again. So and this way. So is not a primary, and then another. Oh, it is also. Well, then please input a number. Maybe we need to. Okay. Oh, this is a 4 times. 4 times from 0 to 1. You say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that is a primary number. So I show you this is that also you can change the another. Give next line things. So that's the next line. And then you have the maybe not this way, and also you can let the user knows you remain. Sometimes you remain well. You have 2 more chances. Okay, so that means you have. So you have what chances? This is one thing and another we should give you, and it's the count, and the count should be 3 in chord count. I don't know if this is work or not. Chance. Okay, so something like this way. We try again. So run main things. Run main. So first input a number 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay. And you have 3 chances. Well, so we should use the 2. So 3 chances and another, and 4 chances, and another. Okay, finish. Well, so we can make it more accurate, like this chance. And if you can see, we can try. So if count. So that's a logical thing. So if count not equals 3, so if count less than 3, I think. Well, less if 3 less 3. Okay. So sometimes like you have chance, and else is something that means thank you. That means okay. See you. Something like see you. And also you can say have a nice day. So that means goodbye. Okay. So we practice again. So run main things. So input a number with 1, 2, 3. So not you have two chance. So not and 3 chance. Okay, so you have 0 chance. Well, 0 chance. Okay, maybe we should not 3, 2, and 2. So we try again. So that's sometimes we just do not want to think so much. We just to modify our program and determine by the running results. So one thing and another thing and the last thing. So see you. You have a nice day. So that is our program. That is our program. So here is not a primary number, so it's maybe a little mistake. So let me see. It's not. This is not well. If something maybe wrong, so we try. I equals temp equals 1, not else. Well, let's try. So this is logical things. This is logical things. Try again. Try again. Maybe it's a little. This is logical things. So maybe they say the 7 is a primary key. So that's the different. So yeah, 7. Yes, okay, that's good. Well, it's primary key. So 8 is primary key. It's not a primary key. So 9 is also not a primary key. Well, so that is a program. So that is a program I have shown you how to input thing, and I give you a homework. So you try it, try this, and you can find another program. Find the greatest common division. So you know. So first number, second number, and you can try. You can search on the internet how to write it. So this is one thing, and test the primary number, and also another thing. This program I have already shown you. So I give you an example here. Program. So example XAMP. So example this way. Package main. So that's the example things. That's an example things, and this is running. The running thing is like this way. So that's the running thing. So that's run. Okay. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning, and you can find lots of examples on these two websites. Here is the two websites. Refers to another is a JavaEE point. You can find this is same thing, almost the similar. And also, I hope you can install some more auxiliary software like QQ and Baidu Network Disk and the everything is this way. So this is everything. This is everything to find a file, and also the notepad. The picker is this way. The picker, and then the xmind. So this is what I have used the xmind. So I'll show you. So this is xmind. This is xmind. Here, this is xmind. This is xmind, and the pick is the snapshot. This is a pick. The pick here is the pick. Well, pick. So, well, how I click this way. Well, so this is a pick this way. Pick. And also the notepad. Notepad is something that when you write something, you can use the notepad. For example, so this is edit notepad. This is a notepad. So this way is notepad. Notepad, and the everything. So this is everything. So just the serve on to query the files. So this is everything. This is everything. Okay. Here. Okay, so this is the beginning. And then the next two classes this afternoon, you try by yourself. And to finish the two homework. To finish this two homework, and so okay, I will put this on the WeChat group. So first I give you the PDF things next, and the next finish. And I see you, and try. Let me see if I can roommate. So you can roommate, still roommate. So that's the PDF things. You can roommate. So this is what I have taught this afternoon, and I'll update this to our WeChat group. Here. And now, please, everyone, just type your student ID and your name on the WeChat group. Everyone, just type. Here. Well, so yeah, WeChat group. Everyone sends your students number and name in which other group. Thank you. Yeah. So everyone sends your student number and group. Thank you. Okay. Well, so what I have speak this afternoon have already ending, and the next classes we will do not use the QQ 10 cent, and you just practice by yourself. So if you have anything, you can type on the WeChat group on WeChat. So see you. So see you. Okay. And this is the number. I will. Well, first. I have already recorded things. Recorder, Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And okay. And this is what I have commit.